6-pack refrigerator lock with 12 keys, refrigerator lock, dorm freezer door lock and child safety cabinet lock with strong Adhesivefrigerador. Package. The package comes with 6 refrigerator locks and 12 keys. Easy to install, no tool needed. The refrigerator lock will instantly stick to fridge, not require drilling or screws. However, we recommend waiting a day before using any force. WILDE application. This is much more than just a refrigerator lock. It can also be used as cabinet lock, healthcare security lock, printer tray lock, oven lock, file drawer lock, cupboard lock, shed lock, etc. High quality. Use the strong 3M adhesive tapes and 4mm cable with protective rubber case to protect your medicines, alcohol, or even your lunch from getting into the wrong hands. Easy to operate, one-hand operation. Just turn the key and remove the hasps. You can open the refrigerator door. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.